What's up guys, this has been a long time already that I have not update any new videos. So the reason I have been not update because I have been going for a retreat, so I don't have any phone, have any computers or anything, because during the retreat program, so the facilitator will not allow me to use any kinds of communication during the retreat. I have just returned back, so I wanted to update to you guys that I still trading, and I still making some videos the same. So this week I will want to show you about the power of looking onto the trend and the candle build up, how to predict the next candle. The way that we are going to predict the next candle is we look at the lower low of the candle. We'll look into the candle that build the lower, because each individual candle, they have four important factors for you to read, for you to understand. So they have the open, the close, the low, and the high. So each of this candle, they are working correlatingly with the support and a resistance line. We have support, we have resistance, and we also have the trend line. So today I want to talk about the trend. We see this one is downtrend, and then we a very steep down. This is breakout downtrend, and then they try to build up. So the way that the candle can build back into the uptrend, so the trend have to pass this resistance area, the area that the candle are trying to push, and then there are bearish power try to break in during the time that they're trying to push up. So we'll look into this as well, in our trade. So when the candle come to this and they can break out like this one, they can break out this resistant kind of trend. So this is a resistant line. When the candle able to create a new high, we can observe the wicks of the candle, of the current candle and the previous candle. So we see that the high of the next candle, they are able to break up high, and also the resistance is break up already. So this is the signs of an uptrend. Okay, so let's go on up onto this one, and then I will explain more why I see this trend is an up. So I always look into a three candle, as a whole. So when I see the three candle, they can create a steep up, and there is no resistance or support to hold around that level, or the current candle have much power to break that resistance level. So the trend most likely, or the candle is most likely to push the price even a little higher. But no worry if I miss into this one. I am pretty sure that the resistance have involved into this. If we lost, I can double that one. So I'm gonna double that, and then I'll go on low next times, because they create a new low, and because of the power of this resistance still exists. I thought that this candle able to break up freely, and they should build up more onto the bullish after this one. But when I noticed that seem like the bullish, they are weak, because of this bearish push back down. So it means that this resistance still have power around this price area. So this price area is 1.1 55, 77, 71. So this is the resistance area that always puts the candle here weak. You can see that weak low. Sometimes they create a spinning top, a doji, shooting star, and then fall. Okay, so that's it. How we read this candle, like a pro. So I want you to keep on practice. You can practice more on your demo account. Let me go back to $100, and let me show you one more example. How to trade this. I always do like double trade. If one is losing, and then we'll follow up by another one. We see that this is how the market build its muscles. So they build the muscle strong, onto an upper hand, upper trend, and then fall back on lower. And we look into their muscles, how they create the muscles, how they create their mountain curve, because the mountain is the waving, is the pattern to tell about the trend going to go somewhere, when we look into this mountain. For example, I'm going to compare you with this two mountain right there. It look like it's a little low here. So we can see that this trend now they build a lower trend. But let me look into the bottom one, right? This one and this one. Today we have 1,000 US dollars, and I will build up my $1,000 during this week. We'll see how much I can go with this kind of technique. So I can see that this is an up and this is a little down here. So I believe that they're going to meet somewhere around here, and before they're going to break up or breaking down. But the most important thing we look into around this area, because this is the area where the trend come back up and then downs, come back up and down. Most likely they are down to this line, and then they can going and break up free or break down free. After this candle will tell me which candle will go next. So if this is a bullish candle and the weak bullish candle with a very little volume, I believe that it will be a bearish on to the next ones. But I want this bullish to be a weak bullish. But if this one is going to be a strong bullish, then we'll go on to the bull. So this is how I predict. So I will look also into the 3 candle build up here. We can see that it's a low, most likely, and then here it's a little low. So I can see that it's a little weak onto the bullish. That can be bearish into this next one. Let's go into bearish. Put 100. Bearish. I still feel that they will come down to this line. So that's why I get my $100 onto a bearish. Anyway, it's no worry, because after this candle I will be more confident into the next one's candle. The reason that I do this, if this one is losing, I will double that one, and I will be more clearly see this market, and I'll be more understand onto the next candle for sure. They should coming down around this area. Awesome. So since I am correct, so we make $247 in profit for just today. So it's a good sign already. And this is how we read the candle. And this will coming down more below to this line. I guess this should come more down. Even the third candle, still the red candle, because we looked at the muscle of this red candle still exists, still available. That can be possible to push the price even lower than this one. if this one is losing, I also will be more confident that the next one will be a red one. Because why? Because if this one is a bullish, for example, so the next one I'll be more confident that will be the bearish. This one is a doji. Doji is a sign of reversal, so we don't go on to that one. This is a gray doji with a strong bullish push because of the wicks. Down below is the bullish push. But I still believe that this trend, they are trying to build, up into this line before they decide to break down, or they next time they're going to break up if they are not able to break this one down. This is how I read the candle by candle, like candle by candle. We call this the price actions in binary option. So if you want to be very successful on binary option, I strongly recommend that to learn about price action in trading. So you can read books and you can find out more about how to read the candle bars by bars. So that's it, guys. I believe that this is the new update for today videos. If you have any comments, so please comment down below. I'd be happy to answer that. So for now, take care. Bye bye.